So in this video, I wanted to talk to you about why I started doing YouTube in 2020, as well as what you should expect to see in my upcoming videos. So, earlier this year, when this whole COVID thing began, I was working 70 to 80 hour weeks as a city bus driver. Now, the reason I've been working so many hours is because a lot of the schools were canceled, so kids would stay home and parents, who were bus drivers, needed to stay home with the kids. So the company was depending on all of us young single drivers to cover all their shifts, and let me tell you, it was absolutely insane. I was working 15, 16 hours almost every single day. Well, a few months later, after all my hard work, the company decided to finally thank me, and they laid me off. Nice. I was pretty upset at first, but when my unemployment benefits kicked in, I was like, wait a minute. So I basically take a very long vacation, and I get paid for the whole thing? I'm down. So I go from working 80 hours a week to doing absolutely nothing. So I'm thinking, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. I have all the time in the world to do what I love. Something that I've been dreaming of since I was a little kid. You wanna know what it is? I'll tell you if you subscribe. Alright.
Making YouTube videos.
And here's the thing. When I started my YouTube channel, I had so many weird and crazy ideas that I didn't know where to start. That is why I've been posting like the randomest videos, just to see what you guys like. So it's more of a test. And so far I've been getting some pretty interesting feedback. So earlier I've decided that by my 20th video, which is this one, I'm going to finally pick a subject that I'm most passionate for. And the subject is...
it's free real estate.
Real estate. Not just your ordinary real estate videos. These are gonna be some crazy and entertaining real estate videos. I'm hoping that my videos are even crazier than all the news that you've been watching about our world in 2020. I'll admit it, the news can be pretty addicting, but I'll tell you one thing, the less news you watch, the happier you're gonna be. The news is there to make you live in fear. Don't do it. Most of it is fake anyways. Recently, my addiction to watching all the crazy news has been switching to a really strange addiction. I now have a new addiction to getting out of my comfort zone. I'm not really sure why, but it gives me some kind of odd motivation, and it also kind of gives me more creative ideas. That is why I don't only plan to post videos about real estate, but other side hustles, other businesses, other ways to make money, how to motivate yourself to work harder, how to get out of your comfort zone, basically things that'll hopefully get you to enjoy life a little bit more. Now, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have a lot of crazy new videos coming out very soon, and I don't want you guys to miss any of them. Also, please give this video a thumbs up, that way the YouTube algorithm kicks in and more people see my video. Thank you. Cheers. I'm not a vegan. It just tastes really good. Rid of all the chunks. Already 2 in the morning and I still haven't jogged today, so let's go do it. But going out jogging on election night 2 in the morning without protection, not a good idea. Nope. 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 Perfect. Ooh. It's chilly out here. It's actually raining as well. Sweet. It's completely dead out here. Absolutely no cars. Oh, there's a car. Curious what they're thinking. Random guy just running in the middle of the night filming himself. Woo! Alright, so I'm getting pretty soaked here. If you guys are wondering why I carry my gun when I go jogging, well, first of all, I gotta love our Second Amendment. God bless America. Second of all, this is a true story. Random gold SUV decides to just slowly creep up to me while I'm jogging in the middle of the night. Dude comes out of it, starts coming at me, yelling some random gibberish. And of course, like any normal person, what I did was... I'm just kidding. I have pretty long legs and I'm pretty fast, so I just booked it. So I guess the moral of the story is, kids, don't go jogging in the middle of the night. Stay at home and do your homework. Woo, that was a nice little jog. I challenge you guys to do something that gets you out of your comfort zone. Whatever it is, leave it in the comment section below, and I'll see you next week.